Cloning yourself doesn't require expensive software like Premiere Pro or some crazy advanced editing skills and masking capabilities. Instead, I'm going to show you a super easy way that you can do this using InVideo's video editor. Let's jump into it. Now, before we jump into the video editing aspect, we need to talk about camera settings. Specifically, you need to lock every setting on your camera. You need to lock your focus, you need to lock your white balance, you need to lock your ISO, your shutter speed. You just want everything locked and nothing in auto mode because that's going to ruin the effect. If you're doing this on a camera, just make sure you are in manual mode. If you are doing this on a phone, simply holding your finger down on the screen should give you the option to lock your exposure and your focus. Now that your settings are locked, let's get into how you film this video. So you just click record and you want to stand off all the way to one side. You want to make sure there is room here, a big gap in between you and your clone. So you'll stand here, record the first spot, then you'll hop over to this side and record this section. And while one clone is talking, you want to be kind of making looks and reactions and kind of pretending like there's actually someone there even though you're just kind of looking into nothing. And doing the same with the clone on this side. And once you're done with that, we can hop over to the InVideo website and start editing. Now, if you want to follow along, you actually don't even need to download software. Just go to InVideo.io, create an account or log in, and you actually can do all the video editing from your web browser. So here I am, I'm on InVideo.io, and I'm gonna choose blank canvas and choose wide 16:9. And what we're just gonna do is click make a video and get into the editing. All right, so here I am within the video editor, and the first spot we wanna go to is our upload section. And here you can click upload media, which I've actually already done. I have my video right here that I want to upload. So I'm just going to click on it and it's gonna pull it up here. And I can actually start trimming it right away. So here's the part where the effect works. So in this clip, it just shows me talking here on the left side. And in the same video clip, I then move over to the other side and record the second bit where my clone is talking. So to start, I'm just gonna trim up right to the part where I start talking, which I'm already basically there. There we go. And then I'm gonna trim this side down. So I start talking for a bit, and then I kind of react to my clone, and then I smile. There we go. And I'm gonna click done, and it's gonna add it right to our timeline. Now this is how we add our clone to the screen. What we're gonna actually do is click on timeline, and then we're gonna grab the exact same video and drag it over and drop it in right here where it says drop to add a layer. So we're gonna drop it in and we're gonna scroll over to the spot where I'm watching myself talk. Now what you'll notice is right here is where the first scene ends, which is super helpful for being able to line up exactly where we need to put our video. So I'm going to scroll over here to where I'm watching myself. And now I can actually skip ahead to where the scene ends and make sure that's where I stop talking. So it looks like it needs to be a little bit more over. There we go. So that way, the scene ends right there where I stop talking. That's perfect. And I can actually scroll this up right to that line. Perfect. We can click done. And now we have the two videos stacked up on each other. And if for some reason you can see they're a little bit off, you can always scroll this over there. Now they're both lined up perfectly. Now, what we can do is we can take either side and we're just going to increase the size of this video right over the top of the other, like so. And then what we're gonna do, as we have selected media number 2, is we're going to click on the crop button right up on top here. So you just click on this. If we click on this lock option, it'll actually allow us to really trim our video like this, where we can line it up, do it right as at that like photo I have in the background, so right there. Done. There we go. Scroll myself over like so, just to make sure we are fully lined up there. Awesome. And let's take a listen to this video. Some crazy advanced editing skills and masking capabilities. Instead, I'm gonna show you a super easy way that you can do this using InVideo's video editor. Let's jump into it. And there we go, we have a clone effect within InVideo. If you found value in this video and want to learn more cool video editing tips and tricks, be sure to check out this video over here where we show you how to turn articles into thumb-stopping videos within minutes using InVideo's text-to-video templates. This is Colin with InVideo, and I will see you in the next one.